a jolt and then you'll die.
Number 10. Porsche Taycan Turbo S. 10th place belongs to Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Porsche Taycan Turbo S is the first production all-electric model with a Porsche badge. All Porsche Taycan versions are all-wheel drive feature with 2 electric motors, one for each axle, which are powered by a large lithium-ion battery. The car can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and the top speed of 168 miles per hour. The range is 192 miles. The base price is about $186,350.
Number 9. 2021 Mercedes AMG E63S, as is the most powerful vehicle in the AMG E-Class lineup. Power comes to twin turbocharger 4.0 liter V8 engine, produce 603 horsepower. The E63S charges 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and wrap up the quarter miles in 11.1 seconds at 126 miles per hour and the top speed of 186 miles per hour. The starting price of AMG E63S is $105,000.
Number 8. The BMW M5 Competition is a high-performance version of BMW 5 Series, similar to its rivals such as Mercedes-AMG and Audi RS. The M5 Competition, powered by BMW Familiar 4.4 liter twin turbocharger V8 engine with registering at 617 horsepower at 6000 rpm, 553 pound-feet of torque from 1800 to 5860 rpm, and made it to an 8-speed automatic gearbox with all-wheel drive. The car can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds and the top speed of 189 miles per hour when equipped with mDriver package. The 2021 M5 Competition was start up $112,000. Number 7. The Audi RS7 represents the strongest version of the Audi A7. The RS model boasts for more aggressive looking bodywork and has an exclusive high performance equipment that helps compete with the like rivals such as Mercedes-AMG GT63S and BMW N850i. The engine is the same 4.0 liter V8 from the RS6 Avant and offers a mild hybrid system for the built-driven starter generator. The total output is 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The energy is sent to the all-wheel drive system where is an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The car can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds and the top speed of 190 miles per hour and equipped with most dynamic package. The announced prices for the Audi RS7 Sportsback was start from $115,000. Number 6. In 6th place is another BMW named BMW M8 Competition. The M8 Competition is powered by twin turbocharged 4.4 liter V8 engine which makes 617 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque. Every M8 Competition uses an 8-speed automatic transmission and a rear-biased all-wheel drive system that can disengage power to the front axle. This impressive drivetrain is also shared with BMW M5. The car can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds and top speed of 190 miles per hour. And equipped with mDriver package, the starting price of BMW M8 Competition is $148,000.